If Opera is showing you an SSL error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with the safest and most common steps first, including clearing the Windows SSL state, clearing Opera's browser cache, and turning off Opera's built-in VPN or proxy feature if it's causing a connection conflict. These fixes are especially helpful if secure websites won't load properly, you keep seeing certificate errors, or pages work in other browsers but not in Opera. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, if you're using Windows, open your Start menu and type Internet Options, then open it from the results. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Content tab. Here you will see an option called Clear SSL State. Click that button to remove any stored SSL session information that may be causing the browser to conflict with secure websites. This is a quick and safe step, and it can often fix SSL-related loading problems right away. Once that's done, click OK or close the window. Next, let's clear Opera's browser cache. Open Opera and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all times so you remove everything that could be interfering with the site. Then, make sure cookies and cached images and files are checked. These two are the most important for fixing website loading and certificate issues. After that, click Clear Data and let Opera finish the cleanup. Clearing the cache helps remove old or corrupted site data that may be triggering the SSL error. Now, if the issue is still happening, the next thing to check is Opera's built-in VPN or proxy settings. Sometimes Opera's proxy servers can cause geolocation mismatches or malformed requests, which can trigger SSL blocks on secure web servers. To check this, look to the left of your top address bar and click the blue VPN badge if it appears there. Then toggle the switch to Off. After turning it off, reload the web page and see if the site loads normally. In many cases, disabling the VPN or proxy connection resolves the SSL error immediately because the website can now verify your request properly. If you're still having trouble after that, try reopening Opera and testing the website again, or make sure your system date and time are correct because incorrect time settings can also cause certificate warnings. But in most cases, these three steps, clearing SSL state, clearing cache, and turning off the VPN, will fix the issue. So to recap, first, open Internet Options and clear the SSL state on Windows. Second, clear Opera's cache using Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. Third, disable Opera's VPN badge if it's affecting the connection, then refresh the page. If this video helped you fix the Opera SSL error, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.